Hello, my name's Haley O'Halloran, and for my game, I chose a game called Hacker, which is an arcade video game released by Eastern Microelectronics in 1983. The whole idea of this game is to show a futuristic interpretation of ice hockey with a crossover with some elements of the soccer game as well. The point of the game is you play a character named Andrew, and it's a one-man team, and there are more than two or three robots, and their goal is to destroy you in any way. They can throw you against the board. Um, and then there's spinners that you want to avoid that are right here. And if you hit those, you'll spin out of control. And um, you're able to knock out these robots with your ball if you have the chance to. And basically, they're following you around trying to not let you score. Um, Points are also scored by hitting the goal and hitting the target on the sides. So you control the game with your arrow keys on your laptop. So up, down, left, right. Um, Hitting the robots into walls is 500 points. Hitting robots with a ball is 500 points as well. And if you keep hitting them with the ball, the points will go up. Hitting the side targets is 100 points. And hitting the spinners is are also points. And if you hit all the side targets, you'll gain a player. So the goal is just to avoid these guys and just keep getting points. So now that I explained it, I'm gonna play. So here it's just kind of showing instructions, and now it shows me I'll be playing the hawk. So here we go. I'm going after the ball, except I want to avoid these guys. No. They got me. Okay. As you can see, I'm not very good at video games these days, but okay. They just follow you around. Okay. It's actually pretty hard to score on this game. So that is the whole idea of this game. As you could see, it has a lot of views versus a lot of the other games. And yeah, there's no reviews, but it does show. Here's a little um, description right here as well. And so the whole aspect is just getting the ball into the goal and avoiding these little other characters that are after you. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.